Hi, myself Neethu Reghunathan, hereby demo Spring Boot REST API Development with JPA. Generate Maven project jar in Java 17, Spring Boot 3 with Spring Web and JPA dependencies. Run and validate the build. Tomcat starts on local port 8080. Next, create resource class under a package. With class members, constructor, setter and getter methods, and toString method. Further, create a data access object class to manage resource array list. By default, we add 3 items to the items list in this example. Add, create, read, delete methods to manage and manipulate items. For save, set incremental ID and add item to items list. Lambda expressions filters and retrieves item matched. Class hierarchy mapping is as shown. Create URL data access mapping class with REST controller annotation. Provide a resource list data access handle. Map get, post, delete URL paths to functions invoking resource list data access handle via CRUD methods. Effectively invoke the functions created in previous resource list data access class as per the class function mapping show besides. Run the application. Test URLs in Postman. First, retrieve all default items in the memory. Retrieve specific individual item. Post new item with auto increment ID. Retrieve all items to confirm item created. Delete an item and again list all items to confirm item deleted. JPA maps resource bean entity directly to database table. In the resource, append annotation entity, annotation ID, annotation column, create item JPA repository class under a package. Add annotation repository, annotation transactional, provide an entity manager, manage bean entity via insert, find by ID, delete by ID. Implement command line runner. Annotation component interface, run method. Add annotation auto-void for item JPA repository member to proceed with database operations. Run and launch application. Access H2 console. Retrieve items added via JPA. Thus we developed REST-JPA Spring Boot application.